Hi, I'm Eric. I'm the lead chemist here at Rose City Labs. Today I'm going to be talking about this instrument, which is our inductively coupled mass spectrometer. We call that an ICP-MS. This is used to analyze for elements on the periodic table in samples from you. So we could use it to analyze for example, heavy metals in drinking water, or in solid samples like hemp or soil or hair or anything else like that. So when a sample comes in, the first thing that we need to do is figure out whether we can directly analyze it or whether it needs to be digested first. Samples that are already liquid, like drinking water or something like beer or alcohol, could maybe be analyzed without being digested. The sample needs to be able to be a liquid so that it can spray in the spray chamber. So for other samples like that, we use this instrument, which is a microwave digester, to digest the sample, turn it into a liquid under high pressure with acid. Once it's a liquid, the samples will be loaded in this auto sampler. We'll create a batch on the computer, and the instrument will come by and analyze each sample in turn by placing the probe into that sample and then introducing it into the instrument. And then, once we've collected the data from the batch, we can analyze that and look at the concentrations in all of those samples no matter the matrix. This instrument operates by spraying a liquid that contains the dissolved elements into a torch which has a very hot argon plasma. After that, ions are generated, they turn 90 degrees and are sorted by a mass spectrometer and then detected by a detector at the end. That signal that we get from the detector lets us know how much of that particular element is in your sample. So here we have the plasma ignited. Inside here is a torch, and then it's surrounded by an RF load coil. That load coil supplies the plasma with microwave energy, which heats the plasma, and then the spray from the instrument is directed right down the middle of that. So as the spray enters the plasma, the droplets evaporate, and then anything that was contained inside those droplets gets turned into ions. Before the ions have a chance to cool down, they enter the vacuum region of the mass spectrometer, are analyzed, and then detected. This plasma is operating about 10,000 degrees in there. Pretty cool. The main plasma gas flow goes down the middle, and then it's surrounded by a spiraling flow of cooler gas that keeps the plasma off the torch walls so that they don't melt. The interface is chilled by flowing water to keep it from melting. The ideal result of this analysis is that we find all the heavy metals below our limit of detection. That would indicate that they're not present in our sample in any levels that could present harm to the consumer. We provide this information to our customers so that they can tell their customers that their product is safe. I hope you enjoyed learning about this ICP-MS today. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit us at rosecitylabs.com.